we go then, dropping in to the send it line. Phew! Snake run. Oh yes. It feels so good to be hitting dry trails after months of paddling around in slop back at home. Today we find ourselves at this epic bike park which is full of jump and downhill trails. For Riders Bike Park then, it's located about an hour outside of Barcelona, and I was so excited to get here today that I forgot my riding trousers, so I'm sessioning in my cargos that I got for Christmas, and they're a little bit too tight when I'm wearing pads. More important matters, this bike park is epic. It's got everything from jump lines like what is behind me with this monster hip, wooden kickers all the way through to flow trails for beginners and black downhill trails where you can practice your race lines. And the plan today is to hit all of these trails. Now, we've been having a little warm up this morning. Everything's feeling good. Dry trails are feeling the absolute dream. And I'm on the high bike like 140mm of travel, 29-inch wheels. Feels almost like the dream machine here. So I think with that being said, we should make our way over to the lift and get to the top to smash out the first lap. Here we go then, we made it down to the lift, past the bikes onto the guy, so we can get to the top for some laps. Thank you very much. Thank you, mate. We're on the lift now, then making our way to the top. It's kind of scary because you've got like this little bench here and you could fall off the back. Let's hope that doesn't happen. The plan today is to ride all the tracks here. There's about 4 trails and they're all super good fun. We're going to start things off on the blue, so let's drop in and get it. Here we go then, dropping in to the blue trail, following Lino, who is a local rider I've just met. He rides here a lot, so it's good to get some local knowledge on these trails. Wow, they're quick turns, as you can tell. Some jumps. I think everything on this one is pretty rollable. Phew! Steezy. Local gaps. Nice. So cool just following locals because you like instantly pick up the lines. Like it'd take you ages to learn all these little gaps and lines into the turns. With local knowledge, you pick it up straight away. You nice, yeah boy, that was sick. Thanks for the lap, dude, that's so good. Nice. Whew. There we have it then, blue track complete. We just did that one which snakes all the way down. We're now going to go onto the red, which is the snake run. It's this side of the hill, so let's drop in and give it a little lap. Here we go then, dropping in to the snake run. There's a cool bridge gap up the top here that we can hit. Following the same guy as well at full speed. You nice. Okay, we're in to the snake run. Oh, I've gone really low inside there. I think that was a bit slower. Yo! Oh, he's got the line there. I was slow. Lower section then, we're going left once again, but we're going hard left into the red. We went right on the blue last time. So we've got a step down coming up. Yo, there's the big jump line next to me. We'll get on that in a moment. Yo, Suey. Nice. You, yeah boy. Yeah, so sick. The speed's so high here, isn't it?
Yeah, I know.
Feels so good. There we go then, the first red track complete following Lino. That was so sick. He was saying that he actually trains and times himself on that one, so to kind of hit it blind and almost keep up, I'm pretty stoked with that. There's a little bike park resident who doesn't appear to be in at the moment. You've got the bike park cat, that's his house, but he's not there currently. So we're gonna make our way up and hit the second red trail, which is called the Send It line, and I think it's got some quite big jumps on it. Here we go then, dropping in to the Send It line. This is a red flow trail. It's got quite a tasty jump section. It's funny because the red tracks here feel more like black ones that we'd have at home. Just for a bit of context. You! Bigger lip extension there. Nice one, dude. Yes. Whew. That's quite steep, actually. Yo. Oh, flat. You. Nice. There we go. That drop for the bottom bit of the red. Yeah. I came into it so fast and went so flat. Send It line complete. That was so good. It was actually insane. I felt the slipstream of the guy in front of me. I was really catching up there, and we was in the air at the same time, so I think that would make the shot look awesome. We've got one more trail to hit. This is the black line. It's very much downhill focused, but at the bottom we've got those big jumps with the kicker that I showed you at the beginning of the video to hit, which we haven't hit yet. So we're going to drop in, give us a lap, and then we've got those jumps at the bottom to look forward to. Let's get it. The black line, following my local guide for the day. It's actually sick. He's just showed me all the lines, and it's really made it so good to, you know, learn the bike park a bit quicker. You. Oh yes, smashed it that time. Oh, this is tech. This is where things get a bit out of my depth. Yo. Yes. Oh, that's so steep, that chute. That's the one bit he warned me about. I'm so slow in that bit. Oh. Here we go then, I'm dropping in to the bottom black jumps. This is my domain, dirt jumps. Yo! Nice big suey there, sick. That kicker jump's well good. There we go. For Riders Bike Park. What a dream. Last run just in time for the lifts to finish. That was such a good day. For Riders Bike Park is actually incredible. There's something here for everyone. Cara has also done a video here so you can see everything from how she's getting on, tackling some of the more difficult tracks and the high speeds, because a lot of the tracks here where it's so dry and there's big berms, you can carry insane speed down there. It's super good fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a